Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10 boot error BCD error code. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer, click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type BCDEdit. In my case, boot drive is C drive, and Windows installed drive is D. Type /FixMBR. Type /FixBoot. Type /bootsex /NT60 SYS. Type /FixBoot. Attrib /C:\boot /BCD -h -R -s. Ren C:\boot /BCD BCD10.old. Type /RebuildBCD. Type BCD boot D:\Windows /L N -us /S C:\F BIOS. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.